What if I told you that the AI apocalypse we've been fearing is actually the greatest lie of our century? While movies show us a dark future of machines taking over, the reality waiting for us is a world of unlimited abundance that you can barely imagine. Imagine a life where poverty is a memory, diseases are solved in seconds, and you never have to work a day in your life unless you want to. We are standing at the edge of a new golden age. Today, I'm going to reveal the specific roadmap of how humanity will not just survive, but thrive alongside artificial intelligence. We're moving from the age of scarcity to the age of prosperity. Are you ready to see what the next 20 years actually look like? Before we dive into the blueprint of our future paradise, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our journey into the future. Let's open the door to the world of tomorrow. Stop looking at AI as a competitor. It's not a rival. It's the ultimate partner. For thousands of years, human progress was limited by the speed of our biological brains. But that ceiling just disappeared. Think of AI as a global brain that works for everyone, all at once. We are shifting from artificial intelligence to collaborative intelligence. This isn't about machines replacing people. It's about machines removing the robotic tasks from our lives so we can finally be fully human. When the cost of intelligence drops to near zero, everything changes. The way we build, the way we think, and the way we solve problems will undergo a transformation more significant than the invention of fire. This is the first step, changing our mindset from fear to synergy. Imagine having a second brain that knows every book ever written, every scientific paper ever published, and exactly how you prefer to learn. In the next few years, everyone will have a personal AI mentor. This isn't just a chatbot. It's a genius-level assistant that optimizes your health, your schedule, and your creative output. It will anticipate your needs before you even speak them. For example, current AI tools are already helping people code entire apps without knowing a single line of syntax. Soon, this will apply to everything. You won't just use technology, you will be amplified by it. The barrier between having an idea and executing it is about to vanish forever. We've been told for decades that the Earth cannot sustain its growing population. That was before AI-driven precision farming. We are now seeing AI systems that can monitor every single plant on a farm, providing the exact drop of water and the precise milligram of nutrient needed. No waste, no chemicals, just pure, hyper-efficient growth. Combined with AI-designed vertical forest and lab-grown proteins, we are entering an era where high-quality food will be so cheap and abundant that hunger will become a historical footnote. We aren't just dreaming. Companies are already using these models to increase crop yields by 400% while using 90% less water. AI is literally turning deserts into gardens. This is where it gets truly miraculous. Have you heard of AlphaFold? It's an AI that solved a 50-year-old biological puzzle, predicting the shape of proteins in a matter of months. Why does this matter? Because almost every disease, from cancer to Alzheimer's, is a protein problem. With AI, we are moving from guessing medicine to engineering health. We will have personalized vaccines created for your specific DNA in hours, not years. We are moving toward a future where dying of old age might just become a choice, as AI unlocks the secrets of cellular regeneration. This isn't science fiction. It's the inevitable result of applying infinite computing power to the mysteries of the human body. The biggest fear people have is, if AI does everything, what will I do? But let's reframe that. For centuries, most of humanity has been trapped in drudgery jobs that are repetitive, soul-crushing, and purely for survival. AI is about to end the era of human as a tool. In this new economy, labor is decoupled from survival. When robots handle the logistics, the manufacturing, and the data entry, your value as a human shifts to where it should have always been: creativity, empathy, and complex problem solving. We are moving toward a post-labor world where you don't work to live, you work because you are inspired. Imagine a society where your job is to be a full-time artist, a scientist, or a community builder. This isn't just a dream, it's a structural necessity. As AI drives the cost of production down, the very definition of a career will transform into a mission. We are finally moving away from being cogs in a machine to becoming the architects of our own lives. If you find this vision of work exciting, drop a comment below and tell me, what would you do if you didn't have to work for money? How do we pay for this? The answer lies in universal basic prosperity. In an AI-driven world, the traditional tax system evolves. Instead of taxing human labor, we leverage the massive wealth generated by autonomous systems. Think about it. An AI doesn't need a salary, health insurance, or a pension. The efficiency gains are so astronomical that they can fund a global baseline of high-quality living for everyone. We are talking about more than just a small monthly check. We are talking about access to high-speed transport, clean energy, and premium healthcare as a birthright. The cost of living will experience a massive deflation. When intelligence and energy become nearly free, the price of everything from housing to electronics plummets. This is the end of the zero-sum game. We no longer need someone to lose for us to win. In the age of AI, abundance is the default setting. We are building a system where the floor is raised so high that even the poorest person in 2040 will live better than the billionaires of today. One of the most powerful roles of AI will be as the guardian of the planet. We've spent 2 centuries damaging our ecosystems, but AI gives us the tools to reverse the clock. Imagine AI-powered swarms of drones planting billions of trees with 99% survival rates, selecting the perfect species for each microclimate. Or AI algorithms that manage the global power grid, shifting renewable energy across continents with zero waste. More importantly, AI is currently discovering new materials for carbon capture that are thousands of times more efficient than anything we've had before. It can monitor ocean health in real time, identifying pollution sources, and directing autonomous cleanup crews before the damage spreads. We aren't just slowing down climate change. We are actively designing a planet that is greener and more vibrant than it was before the Industrial Revolution. AI is the key to creating a solarpunk future where technology and nature exist in a perfect, data-optimized harmony. The Earth is getting a highly intelligent immune system, and we are the ones who get to live in that restored paradise. Education is currently broken. It's a one-size-fits-all system designed for the 19th century. But AI is triggering an education renaissance. Imagine every child on Earth, regardless of their location or wealth, having access to a personal AI tutor that is as brilliant as Einstein and as patient as Socrates. This tutor knows exactly how you learn, whether you're a visual learner, a storyteller, or someone who learns by doing. It adjusts the difficulty in real time, ensuring you are always in the flow state, never bored and never overwhelmed. We will move away from memorizing facts that are a Google search away and toward mastering meta skills, how to think, how to create, and how to collaborate with AI. We will be able to learn entire new languages or complex engineering principles in weeks instead of years. This democratizes genius. When the highest quality education is free and personalized for 8 billion people, the amount of human potential we will unlock is staggering. We are about to witness the greatest explosion of human talent in history. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next chapter on space exploration. For decades, space was the playground of governments and billionaires. But AI is about to turn us into a truly multiplanetary species. Think about the complexity of a Mars mission, millions of variables that a human mind simply can't track in real time. AI doesn't just help with the math, it becomes the navigator, the engineer, and the life support system all in one. We are looking at autonomous AI swarms that will reach the moon or Mars years before we do, 3D printing entire habitats from local dust and ice. By the time the first human settlers arrive, they won't be landing on a barren rock. They'll be walking into a fully functional city built by machines. AI is also the key to interstellar travel. It's designing propulsion systems we once thought were impossible, like light sails and fusion engines. We aren't just looking at the stars anymore. We are finally building the bridge to reach them. The final frontier is no longer a dream of the distant future. It's the next logical step in our collaborative journey with machines. We are about to expand the light of consciousness beyond Earth, ensuring that humanity's story continues for millions of years. Imagine a world where the only limit to creating a masterpiece is your imagination, not your technical skill. We are entering the greatest era of human expression in history. For too long, art was reserved for those who had the time and money to master complex tools. But AI is a technical equalizer. It takes care of the brushstrokes, the pixels, and the musical notation, allowing you to focus entirely on the vision. Want to create a cinematic movie in your bedroom? Want to compose a symphony that rivals Beethoven? AI makes this possible for everyone. This isn't the death of art, it's the birth of a new medium. We are seeing the rise of prompt engineering as a high form of creativity. When everyone has the tools of a professional studio in their pocket, we will see stories and perspectives from corners of the world that were previously silenced. The barrier between having an idea and sharing it with the world has officially been destroyed. If you're excited to see what the next generation of creators will build, make sure to like this video and let us know your thoughts in the comments. I know what you're thinking, but how do we keep it safe? This is the most critical part of our journey. To coexist peacefully, we are developing a global AI constitution, a set of unshakable ethical hard codes that ensure AI always remains aligned with human values. This isn't just about programming rules, it's about creating an ethical compass for intelligence. We are moving toward a transparent AI model, where every decision a machine makes is explainable to humans. We aren't building a god to rule over us. We are building a mirror that reflects our best qualities: logic, kindness, and the desire for progress. By solving the alignment problem, we turn AI into the ultimate peacekeeper. AI can monitor global conflicts, identifying tensions before they escalate, and suggesting diplomatic solutions that satisfy all parties. It can detect deep fakes and misinformation instantly, restoring truth to our digital world. When technology is built on a foundation of trust and radical transparency, the robot rebellion becomes nothing more than a ghost story from our past. The ultimate stage of this positive hypothesis isn't just humans using AI, it's humans merging with it. This is the concept of synergy. Imagine a high bandwidth connection between your brain and the digital world, a brain-computer interface. This isn't about becoming a cyborg in a scary way. It's about expanding our biological limits. Think about it. Our brains haven't evolved much in 50,000 years, but our technology is evolving every second. Synergy allows us to keep up. We will be able to download skills, communicate through thoughts, and access the sum of all human knowledge instantly. We are talking about the end of loneliness and the beginning of a global consciousness. You could feel the emotions of someone halfway across the world, or understand a complex scientific theory by simply thinking about it. This is the next leap in human evolution. We aren't being replaced, we are being upgraded. We are becoming a species that is smarter, more empathetic, and more capable than anything that has ever walked this planet. The future of humanity isn't just bright, it is superhuman. Before we reach the mountain peak, we have to walk through the valley. The transition to an AI-driven society is what experts call the Great Adaptation. It is a period where every sentence we write in history must buy the next one, creating a chain of progress that cannot be broken. To navigate this, we must ruthlessly eliminate the waste, the outdated ideas and inefficient systems that no longer serve our collective growth. This isn't about technology replacing our soul. It's about technology highlighting what makes us irreplaceable. We must show the world our creativity and resilience, not just talk about it. This transition requires a shift in pace, moving from the slow, bureaucratic rhythms of the past to the high-energy demands of the future. We are essentially closing the open loops of human suffering, poverty, ignorance, and disease that have existed for millennia. It's a journey that demands both cold logic and deep emotion. If we can manage the shift in our economy and our education systems today, the destination will be worth every struggle. We are building the foundation of a world where the floor is raised for everyone. This is the final test before the ultimate breakthrough. Let's face it, with the confidence of a species that has survived every challenge before this one. So, what is the final verdict? We aren't heading toward a cold, robotic end. We are heading toward a new golden age where technology finally serves the human spirit. Throughout this video, we've explored the roadmap of our survival. And now we have completed the story of how we win. Imagine looking back from the year 2050 and realizing that AI was the spark that saved our planet, cured our diseases, and finally freed our minds from the drudgery of survival. This isn't just data or facts. It's a profound feeling of hope that must touch your heart. You have the power to shape this future by how you choose to interact with technology today. Don't let fear dictate your path. Let the limitless possibility we've discussed guide you. The choice to embrace this super prosperous society starts with a shift in perspective. We must stop being afraid of the machine and start being inspired by what we can become together. Thank you for staying until the very end of this journey. If you believe in this positive future, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to help spread this vision of hope to the world. Your engagement is the fuel for our mission. The future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create together. Welcome to the Golden Age.